Good morning. Gumising ako maaga. 4:30 in the morning. Gising tayo kasi nga pupunta kami ng Coco Beach dito sa Florida. Papasyal ako nila auntie doon. Parang sasakay yata kami ng ship ng 4 hours. Tapos yung ship na yon mayroong casino doon. Yung boyfriend niya pupunta doon. So, dalhin nila ako doon. Papasyal tayo. Kaya, gising ako na maaga, maliligo. Alright, thank you. Ligo muna tayo.
Ito Torres Bakari sa Judian.
Good morning, everyone. We're going in. Where is that?
Cape Canaveral.
And Coco Beach.
Coco Beach.
Coco Beach.
Coco Beach.
Ayaw na masagutin nila sa
We'll take these wild women gambling.
And Robert, we're going to gambling.
We gonna watch. And
Dalhin nila ako doon.
And eat. We're gonna have a
Pasyal na lang.
we're gonna have a buffet.
buffet.
Thank you.
Eating.
I think it's up to $1,000.
Yeah, hopefully this is our lucky day so that we have 1,000.
Well, I brought the two prettiest girls in the state of Florida. We better win.
Yeah.
You are already lucky.
That's right.
Pupunta kami ng it's just like 2 hours drive
2 hours
going
drive?
there.
2 hours and 18 minutes if it's non-stop.
Yeah, we can do that.
Non-stop entertainment.
We can do that. Non-stop.
I know these people behind me want me to speed, but I'm not.
Don't
So it
speed.
was Robert and my auntie here. Hi, say hi, auntie.
Hi! Kaya nagko-cutics pa. Ewan na akong time kagabi.
Is that your friend?
No, I just
Going out.
recorded it.
Recorded.
Our trip put it in the YouTube.
Oh, wow. YouTube, I watch it every day, all the time. I love it. It's the best programming in the world.
Yeah.
Truth.
I know I don't drink
That's
coffee.
good. I like that. Nope.
I'm not a coffee lover.
What?
I'm not a coffee lover.
Me too.
Tea? Sweet tea?
Only tea.
Green tea? Bamboo tea?
Anything of tea.
It's 7:14 in the morning here in Florida.
Yes, guys. Happy Valentine's, everyone.
Yeah, happy Valentine's, everyone.
She's with a crazy white boy.
Yeah. But she's so nice. Right, Robert?
Well,
Right. What number?
my tag number.
Why? Just a police.
Yeah, my tag.
But are you scared? Why? You were
No, I have insurance. I pay
You said until 13. You said you just only it's until February 13.
I just paid it.
How-
Tell them it's the St. John's
Oh,
River.
wow.
Oh,
That's pretty.
The beautiful St. John's River.
Yeah.
St. John River. Before I thought that's not a river. I thought that's a sea.
South,
So
north, east, and Louisiana.
maybe the south.
To your house is that way, I believe. How way is to your house? West, California, Pacific, Hawaii.
Yung na yan, lake yan. Kala mo ano, dagat, pero hindi. Lake yan.
The mighty St.
It's
John.
a very huge lake.
What was the name of this lake?
River.
This is a river.
Ah,
It's not
river.
lake. St. John River.
Ah, St. John River pala, hindi lake.
The lake.
6 miles wide right here. This bridge,
Yan, kapili ko.
this bridge is 6 miles. Uh-oh, hold on, girls.
Hold on.
All right, everybody, we gotta get Coop. Which one did he get? Which one of those?
What beach we're going always?
St. Augustine.
Daytona
We
Beach.
either go to St. Augustine or give me a moment. I got to think of the name of it. Huguenot. Huguenot.
Yeah, you gonna.
Cars. All that's brand new cars waiting to be sold in the United States.
That's brand.
Billions of dollars of foreign.
Lenco.
All those imports, domestic Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Mercedes, Mazda,
Dami sasakyan.
Subarus,
Nasa labas. na.
Dito bumibili ng mga sasakyan.
Yeah.
Volvo,
Volvo.
Mercedes, Benz.
Oh, just like shopping, car shopping.
Mercedes Benz.
They call that
Yeah.
an auto mall, like a mall we went to.
Yeah, yeah. But this
That's
is all
BM
for
There's
cars.
BMW.
Yeah. BMW.
There's Nissans. Look at me. Thousands of Nissans right there.
Nissans. Wow.
Nissan. Oh, dito pala yun.
Yeah.
Dito pala bumibili ng mga sasakyan.
And you can choose what
Shop.
you want.
I don't know, not just a billionaire. We call it,
Trillionaire.
we call it a multi-billionaire.
Yeah.
In America, it's a multi. Like,
That people just like that was so lucky. And why we're not lucky?
Yeah.
most of it, even in this country, is, hold on,
Picture. I don't know if we can get at this.
hold on, you'll be able to see. Right over
But
here.
we are
This
not-
is the airport. Because you see the lights, the special runway lights right here. And right over here is the airport. Oh, you
What
can't
airport
see
is
it
that?
from this side of Daytona International.
Oh, please. We cannot see.
This is the airport. See the airport, the runway?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And right over here.
Almira and her husband are going to they start their flight is on
Launching a rocket.
In 2 miles, use the right 2 lanes to take the George King Boulevard exit toward Port Canaveral.
They must be launching a. People pull over and they launch a rocket. Whole buses pulled over. Come on.
That's the ship?
No. It's just right on the other side of it.
Oh, wow.
They must be launching a rocket. People won't pull over unless they're launching rockets like this. I just can't see where the launch tower
Ayan
is
na.
at.
Malapit na kami.
Disney Carnival.
Ayun na yung ano, sasakyan namin na ano, ship. Ayun.
Less than a mile, we're taking the next.
Yan yung sasakyan namin. Nandito na kami.
I could have went that time.
Nandito na kami sa aming destination. At sasakay na kami ng
Come
barko.
on, people. Hang on to your underwear.
More time.
Yun yung
You should be
sasakyan
able to see
namin.
it once you get past these trees. There it is.
Sasakyan namin ship.
Right there.
Yun.
See it right there?
Yeah.
That's the picture.
We're here.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Yes. Look how many people are here already.